Livin Thing. Let's go. Whoa. Wow.
Sailing away on the crest of a wave, it's like magic. Oh, rolling and riding and slipping and sliding, it's magic. And you and your sweet desire, you took me. Oh, higher and higher.
Wow.
It's a living thing.
Let's go.
It's a terrible thing to lose. It's a given thing.
Wow.
What a terrible thing to lose. I'm taking a Making believe this is what you can see from your worst day.
I'm taking a dive.
Okay.
I'm moving in line, then you look back in time to the first day.
I'm taking.
And you and your sweet desire. Don't you do it, don't you do it. Oh, higher and higher, baby. It's a living thing. It's a terrible thing to lose.
Wow.
It's a given thing. What a terrible thing to lose. I'm taking a dive on the stage. Taking a dive 'cause you can't help the slide floating downstream.
I'm taking a dive.
Oh, so let her go. Don't start spoiling the show. It's a bad dream.
I'm taking.
And you and your sweet desire.
Don't you do it? Don't you do it?
Oh, higher and higher, baby. It's a living thing.
Yeah.
It's a terrible thing to lose. It's a given thing. What a terrible thing to lose. It's a living thing. It's a terrible thing to lose. It's a given thing.
All right, guys. So that was Livin Thing, and I mean, based on a few facts that I pulled up, I mean, this track, from what I read, is one of the this band's most recognizable tracks, and I mean, it's so clear why. I mean, this song, has remained such. I mean, as always, this song was written and produced by Lynne, and I mean, the song perfectly captures what, as always, made this band such a unique force in rock music during the 70s. I mean, from a listener's perspective, I mean the first thing that grabs your attention is the dramatic orchestra intro. As always, I mean, this the strings come in almost like I mean the opening of a film score, creating a sense of anticipation before the group really settles in. I mean, it's definitely a great example of ELO's signature style. I mean, blending classical elements, with rock and pop in a way that feels, big, polished, and cinematic. I mean, once the rhythm kicks in, the song shifts into this bright, infectious pop rock sort of groove. Lynne's vocal delivery, as always, is smooth and melodic, but there is also, a slightly reflective tone in his voice that, to me, fits the lyrics really, really well. I love the fact that he doesn't oversing the track. Instead he lets the melody, and the arrangements, do a lot of the emotional work, which actually makes the performance, feel more natural and sincere. Musically, there is a lot, happening, in the background that, to me, makes the song interesting on repeated listens, in my opinion. The string arrangements, weave in and out, and the rhythm section almost, acting like another, lead instrument. The backing vocals, are, as always, layered, nicely, giving the chorus a fuller sound without overpowering the main melody. I mean, it's clear a lot of attention went into the production, and I feel like that polished sound, became, one of this band's trademarks, during this era. Lyrically, Livin Thing, feels reflective and a little philosophical. I love the fact that the song touches on themes of love, uncertainty, and emotional vulnerability. And Jeff Lynne uses, imagery, about waves and movement to actually capture the ups and downs, of relationships. Now, it's not overly complicated writing, but it's effective, and relatable. As a performance, the song really shines because of its balance. It's orchestral but still catchy, but I mean still radio friendly. I feel like that combination is part of why it worked so well, both commercially and artistically. The track manages to actually feel grand and ambitious, without losing the simple hook that keeps it memorable. Looking back today, I have to say that this track stands at a great snapshot of what as always made this band special. It definitely shows how Jeff Lynne and the band were able to actually push boundaries of rock music and introducing orchestral textures, while still creating songs that were accessible and enjoyable for a wide audience. Yeah, so overall it's a beautifully arranged well crafted track that highlights the creativity and musical vision that helped I feel like it helped define ELO's sound in the late 70s. Yeah. I have to say, I mean, even decades later, that song still feels fresh and enjoyable. I loved it. I really did enjoy listening to this song. So let me know your thoughts, let me know your perspective about this song.